Hi everyone, very exciting news today. I am here with our first batch of complete Jeep 3.8 liter engines that are coming out of the engine plant. So for those of you that don't know, the Jeep 3.8 liters are found in the 2007 to 2011 Wrangler JKs, and we've been selling the long blocks for quite a while now. However, this is the first batch of units that's going to come complete with your valve covers, oil pan, oil filter, and your timing cover. And so some of you may or may not know that the timing covers on these actually have the oil pump built into them. So a lot of times when you purchase a long block, that means that it's going to be sent out with an oil pump rebuild kit, and then you have to reuse your old timing cover, which means that you've got to clean it or you have to pay somebody to clean it, rebuild the kit, and then install it. So already having that timing cover installed on there is definitely a major perk. So this unit is just like our other remanufactured units. That means that the whole thing is completely disassembled, everything is cleaned, the entire valve train is replaced with new parts, and everything is put back together here in-house and tested here in-house. Pop up a video of the testing being done. As you can see, the oil pan is installed on there. That means the pickup tube is installed when the testing is done, makes everything a whole lot easier for you. They are tested for leaks, for compression, oil pressure, everything to make sure that these units are perfect on their way out the door. The price that you find on the website is an exchanged price, meaning we will come back and pick up your car for free. These are going to come with our standard 5-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty, pays labor up to $75 an hour, and we do have the option to upgrade to the 7-year or the Pure Care or both. If you've got questions about any of that, let me know in the comments.